Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to install Grammarly on MS Word. How do we do this? Let's follow these simple steps. Search in the Google search engine for Grammarly. Its official website will appear. Click on it. Scroll down the web page and go to the footer section. Here you will find Grammarly from Microsoft Office. Click on it. Create an account and directly sign up with your Google account. Select your Gmail ID. You will be redirected to your Grammarly account dashboard. From the left side, go into the App section. Click on the Install button beside Grammarly for Windows. Go to the Download section to find the Grammarly setup file. Double-click on the setup and grant permission by clicking the Run button. It may take some time to install. After installation, a message will appear. Click the OK button. Now, minimize all windows. Open Microsoft Word and type anything. You will see some highlighted words indicating grammatical mistakes. That's it. Grammarly is now activated on your Windows system and in Microsoft Word.
I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.